All right, guys. So I'm just going to do a quick video here on how we can do the equations for assignment for day 5. I'm going to do two problems here. Let's start with the one on the left. So in this case, we're going to start solving equations, but equations that have variables and numbers on both sides of the equal sign. So what we can do here is simply try to get all the variables on one side and then all the numbers on the other side. So I can do whatever I want with an equation. I can add, I can subtract, I can multiply, I can divide. As long as what I do on one side of the equal sign, I do it on the other side as well. So for this equation, I'm going to start by getting rid of this 2x. I'm going to subtract 2x here. And if I did it on one side, I'm going to do it on the other side of the equal sign as well. So I'm just going to draw this line. These two x's canceled out, and now I have this 4x combined with this negative 2x. So I'm going to stand on positive 4, move 2 steps to the left, and I land on positive 2. So this is positive 2x. Nothing happened with this plus 2, so this comes down. And nothing happened with this 10, so this 10 just comes down. Okay? There we go. So my new equation is now 2x plus 2 equals 10. I still have numbers on both sides of the equal sign, so I'm going to get rid of this plus 2. I'm going to do it by subtracting 2's on both sides. These cancel out, okay? And I end up with 2x, and on this side I have 10 combined with negative 2. Now I can do that quickly over here. I'm standing on positive 10, move 2 steps to the left, positive 8. Okay? So my equation now is 2x equals 8. Remember that this 2 that is with the x is multiplying the x. So to get rid of that 2 that's multiplying, I have to divide by 2 on both sides. So these 2's cancel out, and I end up with x equals 8 divided by 2 is 4. Let's do now the problem on the right. Again, I'm going to get rid of the x's on one side of the equal sign. So I'm going to get rid of this negative 2x that I have here, or minus 2x that's subtracting. So to do that, I'm going to put the opposite. I have to put plus 2x. And if I put plus 2x on one side, I have to put the same thing on the other side. Okay? These cancel out. And we have now 4x combined with positive 2x. I can stand on 4, move 2 steps to the right, and I land on positive 6. So this is going to be positive 6x. Nothing happened to this 8 right here. And nothing happened to the 20. So this is my new equation. 6x plus 8 equals 20. Okay? Now, I still have numbers on both sides, so I have 8 and 20. So I'm going to do subtract 8 on both sides of the equation. These cancel out, and I end up with 6x equals 20 minus 8. Our number line is not big enough for this, but just imagine it's a subtraction, and that would be 12. Okay, so my last step would simply be divide by the number that's multiplying the x, that's 6. I divide on both sides by 6. These cancel out, and then 12 divided by 6 is just 2. And we're finished with that one.